Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to encrypt your Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to encrypt your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for security or privacy. Here's the privacy, just select it. And here you'll get a lot of privacy settings which you can do. Here's the privacy dashboard, just tap on it. And here you'll get your permissions accessed. Here you can see the location is accessed and camera and microphone you can easily manage. If you can get any unnecessary app here, so you can easily uninstall it from your phone. After that, just go to permission manager, and here you can easily manage your all of permissions is the microphone, camera, videos and photos and much more. You can easily manage your permissions here. And then there's a smart privacy protection, just tap on it. And here this is screen sharing privacy protection for meetings. When you're on meetings, your screen sharing privacy will be enabled. And after that, here's the show password. If you're unlocking your device and you want to hide your password, you must have to disable the setting. And here is show media unlock screen. If your phone is locked and your media and highlights any audio or voice or videos showing on lock screen, so you can easily disable it. And here's the show clipboard access prompt. If your clipboard access prompt is showing, you can easily disable it from here. Here's the screenshot detection prompt. You can easily disable if you want. Here's the unlock to power off. If you want to power off your phone, so you must have to enter your password after enabling this setting. And after that is the notification unlock screen. If you want to hide your notification unlock screen, just have to select don't show notification at all. And after that is the much more different settings is Android system intelligence or ads privacy. You can easily get all the settings is the app encryption if you want to encrypt any app. So if you want to hide any apps, you can easily use them. Here's the app hiding system. You can easily hide your apps from the home screen. After that is the password and security. Just tap on it, and here you can easily manage your passwords, fingerprint, and Face ID on your phone. So that's how you can easily encrypt your Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.